Good morning all of you. Ashok Kumar Mishra today going to continue with the 5th chapter of class 8 more on Photoshop CC. Photoshop CC में Photoshop का जो ये CC वर्जन है उसमें ज़्यादा और कुछ क्या है. Adobe Photoshop is basically used for retouching and editing the photographs to make them look attractive एंड अपीलिंग. मतलब कोई भी चीज, कोई भी फोटो है, फोटोग्राफ्स है, उसको अट्रैक्टिव बनाने के लिए और किसी को अपने तरफ आकर्षित करने की जो क्षमता डेवलप करता है वो फोटोशॉप है. एडोब फोटोशॉप प्रोवाइड वेरियस पेंटिंग टूल्स टू रिटच एंड एडिट एन इमेज विच आर फॉलो. जैसे पेंटिंग टूल्स में ब्रश टूल्स, हिस्ट्री ब्रश टूल्स, ग्रेडियंट टूल्स, दीज आर द वेरियस टूल्स. Brush tools. Brush tools is the basic tools that used to create a smooth strokes of foreground color in an image. You can set various option in the option bar, which includes brush preset, pickers, mode, opacity, follows. Though these are the various option, and foreground color is used to paint, fill, and also used to stroke the selection. Background color is used to make gradient fill and fill the color in the erased area in the image. By default, the foreground color is black and background color is white. It may be asked in objective, what is the color of, by default color of foreground and what is the default color of background. So foreground color is, by default foreground color is black and by default background color is white. And one is more important objective is brush can be up to 5000 pixel wide, and press the caps lock key if you want to see the brush size. And Adobe Photoshop is available in 29 languages, and selection can be saved for the future see. To save the selection, click on the select menu, save selection. In save selection dialog box, specify the name of your selection. And pencil tools is used to draw freehand drawing with the hard edge. And color replacement tools, these tools replace the existing colors of an image with the foreground colors. To increase and decrease the brush size, press big bracket close and big bracket open key from the keyboards. And history brush tools paint is a copy of a state or a snapshot selected in the history panel into the current image windows, whereas art history brush tools paint with a styled stroke using the selected state or the snapshot. Tolerance क्या है? Tolerance determines how closely the color should be matched for the sampling. And default value is 30%. Specifying the higher values, select the wide range of color, whereas specify the lower values, select the color that are close to the pixel. And limit allow you to specify whether only the color of the adjacent pixel containing the sample color should be replaced or the color of non-adjacent area should be replaced as well. Mixer brush tools. These tools allow you to paint a more realistic way by mixing the color on the canvas, combining colors on a brush, and varying paint wetness across a straw. The outcome of the mixer brush tool depends on the value of weight, load, mix, and flow option in the option bar. And spot healing brush tools, as the tools help you to repair the imperfection like blemishes, dark spot, sketches, or other unwanted element from an image. Healing brush tools also work in the similar manner. Only difference between the spot brush tools and healing brush tools is that in the latter you have to define a source point and then point over an imperfection. Press Alt key to click on the image to define a source point. And patch tools, you can select the unwanted element from an image and replace them with the matching content from the surrounding. These tools is quite similar to the healing brush tools, except that the patch tools you can define that selections where you want to apply the effects. These are the various tools which are used in the Adobe Photoshop to make the photo more attractive. Content aware tools. These tools are used to select the move or extend any part of an image to the another area within the same image without the use of the layer and the mask. And clone stamp tools. These tools allow you to duplicate the part of an image by taking the sample pixel from an image and cloning them into the another area. Cloning works better than the copying as it retains soft edge or the details give more realistic duplicate image. Okay, use the clone stamp. These are the clone stamp sampling. And pattern tools. Pattern stamp tools allow you to fill an area with a selected patterns. It works quite similar to the clone stamp tools, but only difference is that after defining the appropriate option in the option bar, selecting the pattern from the patterns pickers, you do not have to select the source point in the image. Place the pointer inside the area to be painted with a pattern and drag the mouse. And blur tools is a great way to change the focus of an selected portion of an image. These tools soften the selected area of an image by giving in the blur effect. And sharpen effect. Sharpen tools also contrast the blur tools. These tools let you improve the clarity of your image by sharpening the outline of an image more prominently. Smooth tools. Smooth tools is the name implies allow you to smooth the image around, or as if you have to drag your finger around through the wet paint. These tools pick you the color from the where your stroke begins and spread it the direction and drag the mouse. These are the smooth tools. The sharpen tools and smooth tools are used in the same manner as the blur tools. Next day I will continue with the drawing and type tools. Thank you. Have a nice day.